Hello everyone, today we are going to run benchmarks on the Micromax A110Q Canvas 2 Plus. It has a 5-inch display, 3 capacitive buttons at the bottom, a 2 megapixel front facing and 8 megapixel primary camera, some sensors and the primary earpiece up top. First we are going to run the quadrant benchmark. Let's get into system information. The phone runs on Android 4.2.1 Jelly Bean. There's a 1.2 GHz quad-core ARMv7 based processor that powers the device based on the MediaTek MT6589 chipset. There's 999960 KB of RAM, which is equivalent to 1 GB as advertised. Now let's get into the display information. The resolution of the display is 480 by 854 pixels and the graphics chip here is PowerVR SGX 544MP, which also powers the Galaxy Grand Duos. There are 5 sensors available, a 3-axis accelerometer, a proximity sensor, a light sensor, orientation sensor and a 3-axis magnetic field sensor is there as well. Now let's run the full benchmark. We have fast forwarded all the benchmarks so that we can get the final score quickly. So we got a final score of 4059, which puts it just below the Asus Transformer Prime tablet, which is great for this device. Now we are going to run the Nina Mark II benchmark, which tests the graphics abilities of this device and will give us a frame rate. So we got a final score of 54.8 FPS, which is great for flicker-free gaming. Now we are going to run the Antutu benchmark. It tests all the hardware of the device, including CPU, GPU, RAM as well as the SD card. This test will take some time, and if you want to get detailed information regarding all the tests that we have done, just visit our post, which is linked in the description of this video. We got a final score of 13304, CPU 5838 and GPU 4354, which puts it just below the Samsung Galaxy S3 and above the Samsung Galaxy Note. Now we are going to run the Vellamo HTML5 benchmark. It will also test the JavaScript engine through SunSpider and V8 benchmark. So we got a final score of 1487, which is just below the Samsung Galaxy S3. And as you can see, even given that the phone is just a mid-range device, it performs like last year's flagship devices. Now we are going to test the multi-touch capabilities of this device. I have put 6 fingers on the display and as you can see it registers only 5. So the display is a 5-point multi-touch screen, and given the quality of the display, you can see the color reproduction as well. The phone is a great buy at the price point at which it is available. So that's the benchmarking of the Micromax A110Q Canvas 2 Plus. Now we leave you with a short preview of the gaming review that we are going to upload soon. If you have any queries or questions, just comment below. Thank you and have a great day.